Today's got her motocross helmet on with the goggles. Huh? Feel like your head's in a bowling ball?
My head feels like a bowling ball made out of metal and bricks.
Danae's finally learned how to ride her bike.
Whoa!
Oh, keep pedaling.
Eddie?
Yep.
This is hard.
I know. Gotta learn to use the helmet. We're gonna have to put boots on too.
Are you kidding me?
Yep, go. Keep going. It's a lot harder to ride inside a track, huh, Danae?
Harder to ride your bike with a helmet that looks disgusting.
Danae's riding her bike. Because then she's going to be riding one of those here soon. Or a T-stroke. We'll go mountain bike riding. Yep.
Is the videotape done?
No, we're still videotaping. Keep going.
Go.
You look cool with that helmet on, though. Keep going. Push hard to the grass. Good job. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh. Hey. Good job. Danae, look. Good job.